Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there.
Imagine, okay, no, get this, okay? Imagine if dogs weren't tameable, and every time you went outside, you had to, like, fear for your life because dogs are outside. You know what I mean? What would you do? Yeah, what's up? Tommy would be like, the king.
Did you just say that?
Yeah. What's going on, guys? It's Bryden Maiolo here, and we're here building up my my new Sunday street sweeper. And, yeah, let's get it going. Alright, what's going on, guys? Okay, so we're starting off with my my 21-inch Sunday street sweeper in the trans purple. And, yeah, I'm going to put on my volume anchor forks, Brock Rayford edition.
No bike stand gang.
No bike stand. Fuck a bike stand.
No grease gang.
It's already greased, don't worry about it. And for stem, I went with the Demolition Paradise. And bars, I went with the Sunday Street Sweeper bars again. And 9-inch rise, 4-piece. Seat, went with the Sunday Splatter seat. I believe, actually I have no idea whose seat this is. Animal seat post, classic. Front wheel, we got Merit non-stop. Laced to the Demolition Zero, and in the front I'm running 2 Merit guards and 2 Colony plastic anyway pegs. Hyped to get back in the game, hyped to start shredding again, you know.
Yeah, how come you were out of the game?
Tore my ACL. Big hit to Goon Squad, big hit, but you know, we overcame it, and that's just the way life is, you know. When you get knocked down, you gotta get right back up. So that's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. Oh, so cranks, we got Odyssey Thunderbolts, again best in the game, nobody can compare. And sprocket, we're running the E-Clat AK guard, 25 tooth with the plastic guard. Ugh. Yeah, and then for pedals, we got the Odyssey JC PCs, obviously the best. The best or nothing in this kind of build. That's the mentality we went for. Yeah, and then rear wheel. Rear wheel, we got Sunday Cyclone Free Coaster. Laced to that Demolition Zero rim. And BSC XL pegs, root tubes in the back. Good plastics, 4.5-inch. We're all set. And there you go. She's all built. Chain's a little loose, but that's okay. And yeah, this is my Sunday Street Super build. 21-inch top tube, and yeah, mostly Sunday Odyssey parts. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you to everybody. Thank you to Goonsquadbmx. Thank you to Bike Zone BMX. And yeah, hit me up on Instagram at Bryden Maiolo, Bryden_Maiolo. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.
Oh my god, yo, we're live streaming the whole thing,
Really?
boys.